Assalamu alaikum. I am Asif Kamal, your English teacher. I hope all of you guys are doing well at home. Our today's lecture is on exclamatory sentences, direct, indirect. First of all, I would like to tell you something about exclamatory sentences. These are those sentences that contains surprise or emotion. An exclamation point is placed at the end of such sentences. So these are those sentences in which we exclaim our feelings of sudden joy, sorrow, and wonder. So these are few examples given below. Look at the first example. How beautiful this city is. Sarah wiped the board. Oh, I missed the service. Don't talk, get out. Please help me now. Ha, okay. Now it's beautiful. What a coincidence. This is. Wait. That bridge is rotten. I am so mad at her. God, I am in heaven. So these are some examples of exclamatory sentences. An exclamation mark is given at the end of the sentence. Okay, now come to the direct indirect part. To change such sentences, the words exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow or exclaimed with wonder is added in the reporting verb depending upon the nature of the exclamatory sentence in direct speech. Look at the first sentence. He said, "Hurrah, I won a prize." In this sentence, he is exclaiming about his sudden joy. Look at the indirect of this sentence. He exclaimed with joy that he had won a prize. And look at the second sentence. She said, "Alas, I failed in exam." She exclaimed with sorrow that she failed in the exam. And last sentence, John said, "Wow, what a nice shirt it is." John exclaimed with wonder that it was a nice shirt. So these are some examples, and these are some rules that we apply while changing direct into indirect sentence. Okay. I have given some examples for your understanding. Look at the first one. The boy said, "Hurrah, we have won the match." The boy exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. The old man said, "Alas, I have lost my purse." The old man exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost his purse. The child said, "What a beautiful sight." The child exclaimed with delight, or you may use wonder as well. The child exclaimed with wonder that it was a very beautiful sight. Or the sentence is also given here. The child exclaimed with delight that the sight was very beautiful. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं जैसे ऊपर वाला ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. Kashif said, "How beautiful the girl is." Kashif exclaimed with delight. The girl was very beautiful. The student said to the teacher, "Good morning, teacher." The students respectfully wished their teacher good morning. So these are the few sentences that I have chosen for your understanding. Here is an exercise from your book. These are 10 sentences that you people are supposed to do by your own. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.